I have started from nothing, absolutely nothing. It's not even zero, it's like minus, because I was doing something else. There was a momentum to become an engineer, and suddenly I discovered this thing that I really like. And I start doing it. But at the same time, as a kid, I also had many dreams, like common dreams. You know, I'll buy my own house and I'll buy this car, it's a luxury car.
Back in 2006, I was a background dancer performing in IFA. And in 2013, when I made my debut, they were kind enough to allow me again to perform as an actor. And in 2017, I'm nominated as the best actor. So it's a nice story to tell.
Just wait to hear from the police. I know that this is being treated as a suspected suicide. It's certainly the initial prima facie evidence points to that. We're also getting some visuals from Sushant Singh's home right now. You can see heavy police presence there. They're of course trying to take statements of the domestic help as last what we had heard. Let's also go.
Hello everyone, I'm Sushant Singh Rajput's sister Shweta Singh Kirti, and I request everyone to stand together and demand for CBI inquiry for Sushant. We deserve to know the truth. We deserve justice for Sushant. Otherwise we will never find closure. We won't be able to live a peaceful life. तहे दिल से आप सबसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि हम एकजुट होकर सीबीआई इंक्वायरी की मांग करें, क्योंकि हमें सच जानने का हक है। थैंक यू। CBI for SSR.
Republic TV is the only channel to speak to ambulance driver and the owner as well. This can be seen as yet another nail in the coffin of Mumbai police lies. The ambulance owner who has contradicted Siddharth Pithani's version on the body being brought down by him. Even the ambulance driver and owner's versions don't match at all. Ambulance driver has claimed that he brought the body down, whereas the ambulance owner who's gone on to say that it was the police who had brought the body down.
As part of our continuing investigation into the Sushant Singh Rajput murder case, we will also have to focus on who murdered Disha. Viewers, Disha was killed and Sushant knew that Disha was murdered. This is not my surmise, not my conjecture. This is an on the record, and I repeat, an on the record version of a close friend of Sushant. The entire truth is going to come out. We promise you the entire truth. Uddhav Thackeray, hear me loud and clear. The entire truth. Uddhav, the entire truth will come out. I'll see you.
आज जो इनको रोकने का काम चालू है, पुलिस के ऊपर प्रेशर डालने का काम चालू है, कौन कर सकता है?
Supreme Court says Bihar government is competent to give consent for CBI. That's big. That's big. That's big. Supreme Court says the CBI is directed to investigate. Viewers, the Supreme Court has said the CBI is directed to investigate. Breaking news.
जल्दी में आपको लगता है कि केस को क्लोज कर दिया था मुंबई पुलिस ने?
मैं कोई टिप्पणी करना नहीं चाहता, क्योंकि सीबीआई जांच कर रही है और अभी कोर्ट के सामने मामला है, परंतु परसेप्शन जो बना था उस वक्त वो ठीक नहीं बना।
सीबीआई बहुत राइट डायरेक्शन पे जा रही है। 8 तारीख पे वो जो पार्टी हुई थी वहाँ ऐसा कुछ तो हुआ और ऐसा कोई तो था जिसके वजह से मुंबई पुलिस इतनी बैकफुट पे है। आप एक समझ के लिए, या तो 8 तारीख को और 13 तारीख को ऐसा कोई तो वहाँ मौजूद था जिसको बचाने के लिए पूरी की पूरी सिस्टम आज काम कर रही है। जिसके मोबाइल टावर लोकेशन अगर अपन हाईलाइट, जिसका नाम कल मैं सीबीआई को दे सकता हूँ, उनके मोबाइल टावर लोकेशन अगर चेक करें कि वो दिशा के साथ थे नहीं थे, दिशा और उनका सेम मोबाइल टावर लोकेशन आता है कि वो चेक करे ना सीबीआई। कुछ तो 8 तारीख के पार्टी पे कोई ना कोई इम्पोर्टेंट उधर ऊपर प्रेजेंट था जो 13 तारीख के भी पार्टी में प्रेजेंट था, उसका एविडेंस छुपाने के लिए, उसका नाम छुपाने के लिए ये सारी भागदौड़ हो रही है।